Sir, paano niyo po pinag-aralan yung crypto? Alam mo, napakagandang tanong, no? And for me personally, I consider myself as a fundamentalist. Ibig sabihin, pinag-aaralan ko talaga how it works. When Bitcoin started, I actually studied the technology behind it, which is called blockchain. So, tinignan ko paano ba nag-work yung blockchain, yung proseso nito, and ano yung advantages nito. Now, once I learned that, I also check on the demand of Bitcoin. Remember in 2017, nagkaroon ng Bitcoin boom and then nag-crash. And the main reason kung bakit nag-crash yung Bitcoin is because there was no movement. People were holding their coins, they're not actually using it, they're not moving it. Ang tanong, bakit ngayon, tumaas na naman yung demand for Bitcoin? It's because right now, companies are now starting to use it. Companies are now accepting Bitcoin as a payment. So, again, economic supply and demand, once you learn that, mas maiintindihan mo yung market.